what's up guys? This is Rebecca. I'm here with Rocky. We're on a road trip. We just set off from New Jersey and our final destination is Toronto, Canada. So we're on our way today to Ithaca in upstate New York. We're stopping off via Niagara Falls and hopefully we'll get some cool footage on the way.
Alright guys, we made it to Ithaca. We're just kind of searching around looking for a waterfall. We hear one over in this distance over here. Over this way, we hear it. So it's kind of where we're headed. Definitely leg workout.
Buttermilk Falls State Park, and we just did the Gorge Trail on the way up to the top of the falls, and now we're on the Rim Trail on the way back. The Rim Trail was severely lacking in the waterfall department.
Severely.
If you want to see trees, it's the trail for you.
To Niagara Falls, and we are driving through cow town, like straight out. There are fields, there's corn, I've seen mad cows, I've seen horses.
You've seen people riding
horses.